Alright, here's how to use your ticker tape successfully. So here's a chunk that I've got from dropping dropping a weight. So you can see that I've got a smear where it was waiting before it fell, and then I released my object, and each of these marks is 1/60th of a second apart. So each one is 1/60th of a second. So when I record my data, this will be 0, 1/60th, 2/60th, 3/60th, like that. Oh my goodness, improper fractions, what a shame. Here, I'm going to measure from 0, this is my 0 position, the position of each consecutive dot. Not the distance between each dot, but the actual position. So I'm starting at 0. So I'm going to do my best to be accurate with my beautiful ruler I have here. This looks like, I'm going to use millimeters too. This looks like 8 millimeters. This looks like 19 millimeters. This looks like 33 millimeters. This looks like 50 millimeters. This looks like 69 millimeters. This looks like 91 millimeters. This looks like 114, perhaps? Alright, so that's how I'm going to measure this, and then I'm going to enter this data into a data table. And I know it's kind of blurry here where you can't really see it, but there's nothing I can do about that. So that's how I'm going to look at my ticker tape.